Welcome to CarZone 2024. Today we are diving deep into the exterior of the 2025 Toyota Century, a true icon of luxury and performance. The Century has a rich history dating back to its debut in 1967, designed to represent the pinnacle of Japanese craftsmanship and elegance. Starting with the front, the 2025 Century features a bold and sophisticated grille that commands attention. The prominent Toyota emblem sits proudly at the center, flanked by sleek, multi-beam LED headlights that offer both style and functionality. These headlights not only provide exceptional visibility but also enhance the vehicle's modern aesthetic. Moving to the side, the long, flowing lines create a sense of grandeur. The elongated silhouette emphasizes its luxury status, while the smooth contours highlight the meticulous attention to detail. The 2025 model is built on a robust platform that ensures stability and a smooth ride. The alloy wheels are designed for both elegance and performance, available in various finishes. They complement the vehicle's sophisticated look, with an array of sizes. You can choose a design that fits your personal style. Now, let's take a look at the rear. The tail lights are a striking feature, with a unique design that echoes the sophistication found throughout the car. The Century's rear also includes a subtle yet impactful chrome trim that enhances its premium feel. The dual exhaust outlets provide a sporty touch while signaling the powerful performance that lies beneath the hood. Under the hood, the 2025 Century is powered by a robust engine that delivers smooth and refined performance. This car is engineered for a whisper quiet ride, making it ideal for both city cruising and long journeys. In summary, the 2025 Toyota Century stands as a testament to luxury and performance. Its striking exterior design, combined with its rich heritage, makes it a remarkable choice for those seeking sophistication on the road. Thanks for watching CarZone 2024. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. See you next time.